just a quick little tip. Monitoring your business is not easy, right? Set up alerts for your personal business name. I have one for technology, space therapy, and then I get everything anytime those two words come together. It is a trademark for us, so I have to monitor it. My name is another one that I monitor. So this is also a website that does more advanced and keeps track of not only how you're getting indexed in Google, but if people are talking about you on social media. So monitoring your business is another thing we all have to keep in mind. I do think it's really important that you at least set up some basic alerts that are free. And if you want to dig in deeper, if you have a growing brand, and again, I know I didn't dig into everyone, but again, doesn't matter if you're a business to business, business to consumer, a nonprofit. You need to keep an eye on your business and how the digital world is keeping track of things.